Finally, we conclude the merge algorithm with the following two observations. Observation 1. The number of element comparisons performed by algorithm merge to merge two arrays of sizes n1 and n2, where n1 is less than or equal to n2, into one sorted array of size n equal to n1 plus n2 is between n1 and n minus 1. In particular, if the two array sizes are floor of n divided by 2 and ceiling of n divided by 2, the number of comparisons needed is between the floor of n divided by 2 and n minus 1. Observation 2. The number of assignments performed by algorithm merge to merge two arrays into one sorted array of size n is exactly 2n. This is easily found as each entry of array B is assigned exactly once, and each entry of array A is assigned exactly once when copying array B back to A.